Hello students, last time you have to see the modification of root, taproot, adventitious root. Then next point once again that is for mechanical support, this point also. Then next for special functions. Modification of root for special function. For example, that is epiphytic root. Epiphytic root. These roots are found in plants like orchid, venda. Here the orchid plant is grow on the branches of tall plants. In rainy season, these plants are found in thick vegetation. They produce two types of roots. That is, one type of root are only for support. These roots are called clinging roots. Clinging roots. These roots insert in the body of, that is bark of the body of the plant on which they grow. Here the host plant on which they grow. Then another type of root they develop in the ear. These roots are grow in suspended in the ear. Hence, these roots are called aerial roots. Aerial roots, or that is, the plant is grow on branches of other plant, and they develop the roots and they found in hanging position. Hence, these roots are called the epiphytic roots. Epiphytic roots. Epi means above, phyton means plants. That is, on which the plants is grow on other plants and they produce the roots are called epiphytic root. These roots having the special type of tissues called the velamen tissue. Velamen tissue. With the help of this velamen tissue, the roots are absorb the moisture. These plants unable to absorb the moisture, water from soil, because they grow on other plant, body of the other plant. Hence, they cannot able to take the water from soil. That is, they are absorb the moisture from atmosphere with the help of these tissue called the velamen tissue. Then these roots on the surface of, that is, on the surface of these roots, the pores are present called lenticels. lenticels. With the help of these lenticels, these lenticels, they absorb the moisture. Here the pores, that is porous wall is present. Hence, that is porous wall means the lenticels present. Hygroscopic from the atmosphere, hygroscopic atmosphere, they absorb the moisture. Likewise, they perform the special function to absorb the moisture from atmosphere. Then another type of root, that is the sucking root or Hastoria, second type of root. Sucking root or Hastoria. For example, here this type of special type of root is found in Cuscuta. It is in Marathi, it is called Amarvel. These plants, Cuscuta plant, are without leaf. Without a root. They grow on other plant. They depends on other plant totally for water and food, because it has only the wiry stem. And these are the parasitic root. Or it is also called the sucking roots. Sucking root. This is host plant on which they grow. Cuscuta, here specialized microscopic sucking roots developed by the parasitic plant to absorb the nourishment and water from the host plant. They develop these parasitic root and insert in the body of host plant on which they grow, and they rob the food and water and minerals. They insert the root in the phloem and suck the food material. They insert the root in the xylem and suck water and minerals. Here, this is the TS of stem, on which the Cuscuta is grow. Vascular bundle, xylem and phloem. Then when they insert the root in the vascular bundle for absorption of water. This is a parasitic root. Vascular bundle. They appear like this. Here, from xylem they absorb the water and minerals, and from phloem they absorb the food material. And likewise, the Cuscuta plant grow on host plant, and they insert the sucking root or parasitic root in the body of the host plant and absorb the water and minerals, because they are totally parasite. Okay, thank you.